Welcome to this tutorial on how to transfer parts between locations using the accounting parts transfer. The accounting parts transfer is designed for seamless stock management without creating a purchase order or parts invoice. Before you begin, make sure your system is configured with a parts transfer vendor ID. Go to Dealer Team Configuration, Accounting, Parts and Service, and enter the vendor ID. This ID will be used for tracking transfer costs. Back in the Parts app, go to the Parts Transfer tab. Click New and select Accounting Transfer as the record type. Then click Next. Select the From location where the stock is coming from and the To location where the stock is being transferred to, and click Save. Now use the lookup to find an in-stock part in the From location. Check the available quantity and enter the amount to transfer. Click Save. Once you've selected your parts, click Commit. This action will update the stock at both locations. Once the transfer is completed, the receiving location needs to confirm the receipt of the parts. Once confirmed, the parts are officially added to their inventory. If we go to Accounting and check the vendor invoices, we can see the transfer has taken place. And that's it. You've now learned how to perform an accounting parts transfer in DealerTeam. Thanks for watching.